Guys, Silverman Adventures Fishing. There's Gary, the fish finder, my buddy. He already caught, how many trout you catch? Three already? I had one hit, that was about it. So we're gonna head over there, guys, and see what we can get. All right. Shoot. Had one bite, guys. GoPro, start recording. Got a little trout, guys. All right. One trout, guys. There you go. Is he on? Yeah. One trout. Cool. Duck hunters, can't believe that. Well, guys, got me a little trout. A little trouty on the Uzuri. This booger's cold. Well, guys, a mini trout. Better than nothing. Well, guys, Gary caught something over there. I caught a mini one. I'm trying to catch something here in my spot that I kept getting hit at. GoPro, start recording. There. Yep, it's running. Little bitty old trouty. All right, guys, good to see you. Been a while, crocodile. Got another one, guys, another dinky one. Bye, see ya. Here. All right, it's not a mini one. Dinky! I side hooked him right in the belly. So guys, got another one, little one. Just a second ago, lost one, got one, lost one, got one. guys. Ta-da! Boink! Dinky! They're right here, guys. Nothing big, but you saw me miss that one. Got one, guys. Another dink. I'm missing a whole bunch of trout here, guys. This ain't got daddy yet. They're taking it really light. You can't hardly feel them. Then all of a sudden you see the line moving. Start recording. Dang it. Hello, Dinky. Dinky Dinky. Mini trouts. There you go, guys. See it. Mini one. Am I on? Yep. There's got to be a bigger one out here somewhere. Little bugger chase it all over the boat. Well, another mini one. Another mini. On there, guys. Yep. Another mini, guys. That's like 10 little ones. Followed it right to the boat all the time, right to the yak. Start recording. So guys. Ah, quick. Little fart. Dinky, guys. See ya. Got him, Thought I had something, guys. Put a different shrimp on. That Japanese one, see if I catch anything off it. Gary ain't moved from that spot. He caught a bunch of trout. We all caught dinks now. GoPro. Got him. There he is. Another little trouty. All right. Another little one. Well, at least I know they like this shrimp. Am I on, guys? Yeah, I'm on. All right, see you. Yep, right by where the dinks are. It's only 11:15. I thought it was way low. Got him, guys. Another dink. Right in that one spot. Dinkies. All right, guys. Another little one. So, guys, look at this gentleman right here.
Hold on.
Gary the fish finder. He's my bud. What's going on, Gary?
What's up, my man?
He's my good guy. How do we greet each other when we talk? When you call? What's up?
I was just thinking that. What's up?
Yeah. Not much.
I don't know what to do.
I don't want people hear us talking on the phone like your wife in your house or my neighbors to go, what the heck is wrong with these guys?
My wife, she's used to. I do that to everybody.
Do you?
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Look how this morning we were coming this way, now we're going up that way.
Yep.
Well, what we can do, maybe just keep, I don't know, trolling all the way there. And
Well, the tide's going back. We could just almost if we throw with the tide, you know, going this way, then it's going to be different.
yeah, if the tide was high, I will go those channels. I'm sure it's some maybe, what do you call, ship set around under those.
Yeah, we just have to go in there and find out. You know what I mean?
Want to check?
Yep, let's go in.
You never know.
We'll go in there and see. Okay, guys, me and Gary are going to go in there and see. We got mud crabs and shrimp. That one? Yeah, that's what. Well, guys, it's like almost noon. We've been here since 5. Caught a bunch of mini trout, sort of Gary. And nothing good. You can hear them. We'll see the wind whipping up here. So we're back over there. We might get out of here pretty quick. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to Gary's channel, Gary the Fish Finder. On YouTube, he works his butt off. And he always catches fish, guys. So make sure you subscribe to Gary. Subscribe to me if you don't mind. That's my good buddy back there. When I had my knee surgery, that guy came all the way to my house, caught some fish, and cleaned them and gave them to me because I couldn't get out. So quite the guy. So make sure you subscribe, guys. We're working our butts off for you. Hey guys, PJ here, Silverman Adventures Fishing with my buddy Gary the Fish Finder. Look at that shirt.
Gary the Fish Finder. Silverman, what is that now? You changed too.
Silverman Adventures Fishing.
Fishing adventure or
Silverman
adventure?
Adventures Fishing.
Okay, you just add that.
Look at Gary got me. Gave me some
That's it.
hoodoos. Got some.
And I got
some wine because he's a connoisseur cook.
tonight. Well, I'm loading the new video. I'll finish this.
All right, guys, make sure Gary the Fish Finder, subscribe to the station, get him up to 1,000 subscribers. Like almost 900 now. He's 100 close, so let's get him in there. I'm like 550. Let me try and catch him one day. All right.
Thank you. You'll get there.
All right, guys, God bless. See you there.
See you.
All right.
Very windy, guys, very crazy. I mean, we did manage few trouts, but nothing keeper. It is what it is. Florida, some days are like this, pretty bad wind out there, guys, but we enjoy, we have fun. No problem.
I can't believe that. I met Gary like 2.5 years ago when I got my kayak. Now this is the first time I've seen him in that time. No, he snuck to my house and gave me some fish when my knee was under surgery. So I appreciate that. He came all the way to my house, get the fish, and gave them to me. Appreciate you, brother.
Anytime.
Okay, guys. God bless. We'll see y'all later.
See you next time, guys. Ciao.
Ciao.